Meet Rob, the remote-operated bulldozer. While most other winch assist systems are based on excavators, Rob is different, and there's a reason for that, according to forestry contractor Lars Rosewarn, who's one of the people behind this machine. A bulldozer has a much lower centre of gravity compared to an excavator, and the large blade provides a sturdy ground anchor, so it's inherently more stable. It can't be any old bulldozer, it needs to have a hydrostatic drive system to run a pair of winches mounted on the rear and deliver seamless braking. This particular Rob machine, run by Skips Logging in Northland, is a fairly typical setup. It's built on a D6 base, in this case a John Deere 850J dozer, which has a good amount of power to run the winch assist system. There's more than enough grunt to help the John Deere 909MH harvester traverse the steep country between Dargaville and Kataya. Owner Tom Skips runs two crews and alternates the Rob system between them. He says it has made a big difference to the productivity of his operation as well as the safety. The Rob system runs two sets of ropes, each 500 metres of 7/8 swage rope, through a pair of sheaths on either edge of the dozer blade, running down to a wedge socket which connects to a 4-metre chain and is shackled to a pivoting drawbar on the harvester. There's a total of 21 tonnes safe working load, but the Skips team has never needed to take it up that high and mostly operate within a 2 to 4 tonne margin. The tension is set via computer and can be adjusted by the operator as required. An advantage of the hydrostatic system is that it gives better traction control, especially on slippery surfaces. That means less track spin on hills, minimising soil damage while still being able to work on slopes as steep as 45 degrees. The ropes aren't wound out or in automatically, as in some other winch systems. The harvester operator controls the ropes manually through triggers on the handsets. Rob is fully electronically monitored through its computer. Any problems with overheating, oil and water levels or blown hoses, and the machine will automatically shut down and apply the holding brakes. Rob also shuts down the winches instantly in the event a rope jumps off the drums, and if the whole dozer moves up on top of the slope, a motion monitor fitted to a stake in the ground behind it will also shut the system down as a precaution. None of those failsafe systems came into play during the NZ Logger iron test. It worked perfectly as our operator navigated a slope of around 30 degrees to cut pines on this spur. Another great homegrown solution to the challenges of harvesting in this sort of environment.